Today is the day of destruction with the Bronco 2. We'll say that 3 times real fast. All right, we got the inside out of this thing. Wasn't too bad. We had one little problem. I know y'all seen we was using a Ziz wheel. Here, I'll show you. No, I won't. Hold on a second. I'll show you. That right there, we broke that dang star bit off in that, and it's impossible to get to. And the other one come out all right on that side, but this side over here, the star bit didn't get in that back seat out, so I had to cut that thing, which is not a big deal because I don't think we're going to use that. We're going to go a different route with it. And So we got that out. What we're planning on doing with this, or when we first bought it, I've always wanted to make a, you know, you got the old style Bronco, like the 74 and 5 and all them. It's really, or 71s or whatever. I used to have a couple of them. And I always liked the open bed. And so, you know, when they did these Broncos, this cool window on it, which back, you know, when I grew up, this was awesome because this window actually curved with the body. And that was a big deal for people sitting in the back. They could actually see out, and more of a. But anyway, we're wanting, and I know y'all seen a lot of them off where they've cut the back of the truck off, and we hadn't made up our mind exactly how much we're going to cut off of it yet, but we're definitely going to cut it off. We're going to do the cab corners. We're going to make sure that it's got the right, you know, like you can see where it's cut off here. We're going to have to put we're actually going to put the true bed sides on it where it'll be like it's supposed to be if it would have been made. We're going to try to make it look as factory as we possibly can. And anyway, we got to put all that, and but still we hadn't got the motor in it, but we was just while we was waiting on different stuff. I did get, you can't see because it's dark in here, we're about ready to go, but anyway, I did get all underneath here painted. So, but we still like painting the firewall. We don't know what color we want to go with yet, but we're kind of debating. And so if you got any suggestions, I'd like to have something cool. We've studied red, yellow, greens, oranges, and something. This is something that you never know what you'll find in a car. And I'll show this up. If you see all that writing, that is a Dear John letter to somebody. Uh-oh, hold on, I dropped it. Yeah, that was a Dear John letter. Somebody was mad at somebody's girlfriend or wife or something. But anyway, this was actually on the passenger side, and I never had seen it before until we took it out. And it has got anyway, I'm not going to read none of this because it got a lot of bad words in it, but whoever wrote this was mad. They were mad. So, but anyway, I thought that's funny. I'm not going to put it back on. But anyway, that's kind of what we're doing now. So let's carry on and see if we can get this thing back over to Mike and get the motor put back in it, and then start cutting the roof.